Okay, big week this week, guys. We are upgrading the kitchen as promised.
This is Eric, and we've had Eric since we've had the van, really, haven't we?
Yeah.
And he's been really good.
Yes.
We took him on. He's been all around France, all around Scotland, and he's served us proud.
Yes.
But he's a bit diddy for us. He's a bit diddy.
He's a little bit damaged now as well, isn't he? He's got some plasters on the side.
Yeah, the tops broke off about 3 times. Glued it back on, and there's some things. But the problem with Eric is the basket is really small.
And so, as you know, we've got the hob, the Ridge Monkey.
Yeah.
Beautiful, nice frying pan that we've got non-stick.
Got our Trangier and our canister gas cookers, stovetop
jet
ones.
boil.
Yeah.
Feels like the generation game.
Got quite a lot of stuff. Cuddly toy. Yeah. Fondue set.
Yeah.
Matching luggage.
Matching luggage, yeah.
I'm doing alright on that one.
You're doing alright there,
I'm doing alright. Blimey. Anyway, that's Eric anyway.
Yes,
he does fish, chops, everything that you want to do. He does everything.
So, Eric is going to retire. Anything else you want to say about Eric? Bless him. Oh.
Rest his soul. No, we'll keep him.
Now, what we haven't got is an air fryer that's useful, shall we say?
Yeah.
We haven't got an oven, haven't got a microwave, haven't got a grill or a toaster or anything like that. Okay, so until today, we're going to fit a big, massive air fryer, and it's going to do, what does it do? It's oven and grill and all that sort of stuff.
It combined everything, yeah, with everything, yeah.
And we're going to fit a microwave. Yes, I know.
In a small van.
It's a small van. It's a tiny van. Do we really need it? Yes, we do. Because we are launching a new channel. It's going to be a food channel. So we have to be able to cook a little bit more stuff in the van. To be fair, apart from the new channel, we also like cooking. We like food. Yeah. We like tasting, trying different things. We like trying different cooking. So for us, this was a bit limited setup, wasn't it? Anyway,
yeah,
especially for living.
I think preparing meals, it was a kind of cook something, keep it warm while you're cooking the other things. So we're going to be able to cook a whole meal. Everything.
So the new channel is called Mark and Beck Everyday Eats. There will be a link in the description. Make sure you check that out if you're at all interested in food, normal kind of supermarket food. Yeah. We'll try it so you don't have to.
Not a few challenges as well.
Yeah, there's definitely going to be blind taste testing and all that sort of things going on. So if you're interested in that, please make sure you subscribe and go over and have a look. I'm sure you're going to like it. It's something different to what anybody else has got on the channel. Right, so back to this channel. We're going to show you the unboxing of the air fryer first. Yeah. Then we're going to fit the microwave. If you're not into your food, don't worry. This channel is sticking to all the van stuff, the upgrades, all the van lifestyle stuff. So don't worry. It's not going to become a food channel or anything like that. That's why we've started a new one, because we didn't want to mix up this channel. This one's staying as van stuff. We should have got you to get this. I didn't realise how big it was.
That's a big one, isn't it? What you got in there? It's bigger than the van. Right, this is Eric's replacement.
We've got to get a name.
Ernie, obviously.
I don't know why I didn't see that coming.
Ernie, this one's called. Just a random name.
Why did I not see that coming?
Let's get it unboxed then. You could say that it's slightly bigger than Eric.
Well, it looks a lot bigger than Eric. We'll say it looks a lot bigger. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to get this box on the floor down here to get it out.
It's okay.
Right, we'll open the next box.
It's a box in a box.
I hope it doesn't go on forever. I'm one of those people, at Christmas time where I like to play jokes.
I reckon there's going to be an air fryer that size. It's going to be exactly the same.
A box in a box in a box in a box.
There's going to be plenty. I know there's going to be plenty of packaging in there. Right, let's get it out then. Oh, we need a slightly more restrictive space. Now, the first thing's happening is this box is going out of the van. So we're going to get this into position.
Yeah.
And we'll get it all connected up, and
we'll show you where it's going to go.
Yeah. That ain't gonna work.
Yeah. So fit for purpose.
Yes.
Right. So we'll put it in place, and then we'll bring you back.
We've got Ernie. We've just set him up on the worktop. He's not going to be there. He's going to be spun around
a little bit,
90 degrees.
Just to show you all what our plans are.
Yeah.
Now, we'll prepare you. He does look quite big in this van.
He does look big, yeah. And so it does look like it's blocking the window, but it is going to go further back towards the driver's seat.
There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
Actually, down the side. And
keep watching the video, because I'm going to make the worktop extension.
Yeah, we're actually going to fit this in place.
After we've done this. If you have it on full power, it's 1800 watts. So what we can do now, we'll have to make sure that when we use our hob and our air fryer, that we don't exceed the 2000 watts, which we can do because we can monitor it on the display there.
So for us, the reason, like I say, it is a game changer, is because we can cook more things in that at once.
We don't kind of eat, the pot noodles and that kind of stuff.
No, we like to cook,
but we do like grilled, chicken and stuff like that
Fish,
we've marinated and that. So that'll come in as be great for us. Right, we've got these accessories.
We have.
What are these now? Help me! What is it, the fly? Remember that?
I think it should be help me, shouldn't it, folks? Yeah.
Right, we've got these. I mean, them look serious.
So that's going to be part of the rotisserie thing.
I think so.
Yeah. I'm surprised that you didn't pick both of those up to do something. Symbols, that's it. Symbols.
What we got here then? We got some skewers, mushrooms, all that kind of
Onions.
stuff.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
But if they could do with being a bit longer, because there are mushrooms on there.
Oh gosh!
Don't know what you want to do with that.
Put a chicken on it.
It's a tripuller-outer.
Tripuller-outer.
Got a recipe book and a user manual.
Here's the trays, the all-important trays, folks.
All the trays. Use the right tray for the job, don't you?
So it comes with 3 trays altogether then.
We've set it up for pizza on the air fry. It says cooks from frozen from 12 minutes. I'm supposing that's oven. We've got it on 230 for 11 minutes.
That's why I've bought the very plain, cheap pizza out and not the good one.
Yeah, it's a bit of a test, isn't it?
Yeah, so what we have just done, folks, is put it through its warming cycle where it gets all the smell and things out.
Should work, shouldn't it?
It should do, yeah.
The world's most boringest pizza we've got there.
Yeah. We're not going to, if it doesn't work, folks, we're not going to waste a nice pizza, are we?
One pizza done. Probably a bit done more than we would probably normally have it.
Yeah, I would definitely say so. Definitely say so. So we've got to watch these presets, you know.
We'll leave that. Okay, so we've had a long, hard think of where we're going to put our microwave, and it's only a Diddy one, which is good for us in a Diddy van. But we think we're going to put it in this cupboard here. Space is a premium, so as things get sacrificed to fit the microwave in there. Measured it. It should fit in there quite nicely.
Yeah. The only issue we've got is this lip here. We've got to figure out all that kind of... and whether it's got to be raised up and all that sort of thing.
Obviously, we need to get some ventilation as well for it.
Okay, so let's get cracking. Let's get that in. So first look. This is kind of how it fits. It's pushed to one side, but we don't have to have it there.
So we think to help with the ventilation, it'd be quite nice to pull the microwave out of the cupboard. So we've got these runners that we had that we didn't end up using for that drawer there from Ikea. So if we mount them just inside the cupboard, what it'll mean is that the microwave will clip away in that position, and then we want to use it, it can just pull out and just come out a little bit, and it'll help with ventilation around it, stop steam and condensation building up. So it never normally happens, but we've got a piece of wood that is pretty much exactly the right size. We're just going to take 10mm off that side.
Amazing.
And that depth is a little bit shorter,
it's
but
within 10mm.
It's within 10mm, so I'm happy with that.
I am sure.
That's good. I'm happy, you're happy.
Well, I'm happy, you're happy.
Well, I'm even happier.
Well, I'm the happiest. Stop recording.
We'll have a look at that then.
Okay, to you. Holden.
Something like that, aren't it?
Yeah, great.
Right, we've got the these brackets in. There's a bit of a vacuum out. So the next job is to, I've already took the measurement of that when it's back to there, measure. That's the front of the shelf. Fits alright, doesn't it?
Fit the
Microwave
shelf.
like that.
And it is one of those where it's a push.
Yeah, they're going to come out when we dry.
Yeah. So we've got a microwave in place. We're going to try it for a few weeks before we do anything more to it, because knowing us, loads of improvements we'll make and adjustments.
And obviously, because we've got quite a few appliances now, we've got a 2 kilowatt inverter, so we have to make sure that we don't exceed that for any long amount of time anyway. But we can keep them. We do monitor it up the top there.
We do, yeah, on the thing. This is a 700 watt, and if you open the door carefully, Mark. Yes.
It's a flat plate.
It's a flat plate.
So you don't get
glass.
So you don't have anything going round and rattling as we're driving, which is a bit of a pain because we had the
air fryer over there. It's nicely in place as well. That these are the trays off the air fryer, and we left them in for a while, didn't we? And then we realised now
everything rattles, doesn't it?
So we swiftly took those out. So yeah, that's in place. The air fryer's in place. If I just show you the air fryer now, because we've now got it so it's got a ratchet strap on the side. Ignore the cardboard, that's just until we get some
that's just where we keep it in transit.
We've got some more 4-way stretch carpet left. Don't mention the carpet. And we're just going to cut a nice bit of that. It's just so that it doesn't damage the side of the air fryer really. But obviously we can make it look a bit better than
it needs all trimming up and everything once we do.
And we are going to look for a little bit smaller ratchet strap at some point, aren't we, in the future? Maybe even, we said one of them clip ones, didn't we?
Like you have for luggage ones.
Luggage strap. So, because that's a bit industrial, that one. But it's in place and it doesn't move. The back of it's slotted into, as you can see, a couple of small holes, so that doesn't move on transit. And this one, we have done it temporary.
So these
we're not all of a sudden into the red, are we?
So these are just like tops off water bottles, and the feet of the microwave just, if I can lift it up, just locks in, just to stop it sliding off.
We'll adjust them to at least something black at some point, but again we've got to tidy all this up, and we'll probably, when we come to do the doors, we'll be doing something, going to have, some kind of fashion.
Rather than having steam filling in the cupboard, we've got these on, these runners are hold it and locate in place, so you just push that and then you can bring the microwave out. So you've got plenty of do your microwaving, ping. And then you push it back and it will locate back to where you wanted it.
So that's in. The air fryer's in, so there's only one thing left to do.
Like an extension.
No, try it.
I think what we've got now is that we've got the ability to cook a lot of different types of food, because obviously the air fryer oven, you can grill, you can broil.
What's it say on it? Look, let's have a look. Let's move the mum and dad cups.
Read it from the top.
So we've got grill, broil, air fry, dehydrate, toast, bagel, bake, pizza, roast and proof. And those are the heights you have everything in case.
It does take a lot of energy. If I put it up to full whack, it comes out at 2.1 kilowatts, which the 2 kilowatt inverter just about cope. Realistically, you can set it to 2 kilowatts basically, and that's pretty much on full anyway.
See how we love food.
We do.
Right, so our kitchen upgrade is complete, apart from the fact that we'll definitely be upgrading it more. So obviously for us, it also means that going forward, not just living in the van, but also for our new food channel, we can then do that without having to compromise on what food we choose to review. You may have noticed that on our channel, the travel content has disappeared. That's because we've noticed that our subscribers on this channel really like the DIY, the jobs on the van, the
tips
van
and tricks,
builds, tips
what we're getting up to. And we like to share that, and for you to tell us what you're doing as well.
Basically all van related stuff, and that's perfectly fine, and that's what we set the channel up for. So what we've decided to do is keep this channel all van related stuff, and we're going to move the travel stuff to another channel. That channel is going to be called Mark and Beck Wingin It, which is what our socials were always called. So we're going to use that name for all the travel content, and keep this as KnightsVanVentures with all the van content, van build, van DIY jobs, the upgrades, all the stuff to do with the van. And then, of course, we've got the food channel as well. I just want to keep everything separate. So if you want to subscribe to everything, then obviously you can do that, and you've got that choice. But you're not going to have content forced on you. There's nothing to do with what you want.
Not everybody likes looking at food, and not everybody's interested in trips, are they? And most of the trips will be in the van, but not all of them. So we didn't want to subject people who weren't really interested in that, who were more interested in the bill stuff. Yeah,
if you're only really interested in the van, and we go off backpacking around I don't know where, that's not going to be good for you.
Will we ever get back? That's the key.
I doubt it, from Wolverhampton. So keeping everything separate. So going forward, there's going to be 3 channels in the next few weeks. You can subscribe to them now. The links are in the description. We're going to leave it there for this week for this channel. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this one. More upgrades coming. Got the doors to do. Whenever. Fingers crossed that that's next week or the week after. Yeah, we've got some lighting upgrades. Lots of things going on.
More electrical stuff. If you're interested in electrical stuff. I know I am. Well.
You're not actually.
Well, yeah.
You just happen to be qualified and good at it.
Burnt out with it really in time. Yeah. But yeah, we've got some tips and tricks.
And lots of exciting videos coming up, haven't we?
Yeah.
So thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.